Hello my dear students, today I am going to make you understand what is article writing. This is a very important topic as far as your writing skills are concerned. Today let's see that how to write an article and what are the things we have to keep in our mind while writing an article. First you must understand that what is article writing. It is written for the newspapers, magazines and journals to show the reader a different view of a particular topic, right? It can be written by a writer, he can give his own expressions about certain topics, or he can take some current issues to give his own views. So here you see that what is article writing is a piece of writing written for a large audience, and this gives an insight of a particular topic to the readers. It is written for a large audience, and topic may be varied from writer's interest to some current issues. As I told you earlier also that the topic you cannot decide, I cannot decide, but it is the sole decision of the writer whether he has been asked to write on a particular topic, or it's his own interest about what he wants to talk, or any current issues that are going on, he wants to show some light on that. So here you see that format I have mentioned here. What is the format of writing an article? First you should have a topic or heading of the article. It must correlate with the matter that you are going to write in your article, in the body of your article. So first thing is that topic or heading you have to write. Just below that you have to write the who is the writer, right? By who has written this particular article. First para must contain the introduction of the article, introduction of the topic. And then you can mention the causes. If this article is asking about some problem, they are talking about any problem, so you can mention the causes of that particular problem. In the second paragraph you have to mention the statistics of the topic. Statistics means what are the statistics available for that particular topic, right? For example, we are talking about child labor, so you must have factual description of that, what is child labor and how it is affecting the today's children, and what is the number of children who are working as a child labor. So these all things you have to mention and give the statistic of that particular problem. Then you have to mention the advantage and disadvantages of the problem. If the topic is related to the problem or anything, you must mention that what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages of that particular problem. You can take example of road safety. If people are not following road safety or rules of the traffic, what can happen? What are the disadvantages and advantages you can have? The last paragraph that you have to mention is the conclusion. In the conclusion what you will mention? Either you will warn the reader that these are going to be the consequences of this particular problem, or you will give a message to the reader that we should do this thing, we should behave in a proper way, we should follow traffic rules so that our coming generation won't face any problem in future. You can advise, you can give your suggestions, you can give advice, and also you can give some steps to be taken forward to avoid these kind of problems. So this is the body of the article writing. As again I am telling you, heading should be there, then the name of the writer, and then it must contain 2 to 3 paragraphs, not less than that. You should stick with the word limit if it is asking in the question paper, but try to mention each and everything divide your content into 3 paragraphs, so that it will reflect that yes, you have some information about this particular topic. So my dear student, I hope that you have understood whatever I have teach you today. Just I will give you practice work to write an article and after writing it just send it for the correction. Thank you so much, students.